Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I am K-May and today is going to be a lash with me and we're going to be doing a full volume set. This is going to be a cat eye style. It's been a minute since I've done a lash with me and it's not because I haven't been lashing. I've been lashing pretty much all December and I didn't film actually one client at all, which is crazy, but I was just so busy and there was just so much going on, you know, with the holiday rush, you guys. It really does rush. But now that it's about to be New Year's, it is gonna start to slow down. I am pretty much busy for today's the 30th, by the way. I am gonna be busy for the 30th and the 31st, and then I start slowing down in the beginning of January. I also have a dental appointment on the 2nd, so that's gonna be very interesting. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be a lash with me. I am in my new beauty room and I have been keeping my light to my right side, and usually my light is on my left side, and like my tripod and stuff like that. And I usually film from the left side, but this time I filmed from the right side, which is a little bit different for me, I will say. Maybe I'll have my client slightly tilt their head or something, or maybe I just need to get a new angle, a different angle, because this isn't my favorite angle. Sometimes my hand is in the way. But yeah, if you guys know, I know what type of tripods I need, but just the thing is that my tripod stand, I don't want to have too much stuff all around my bed. Like, it's not that serious for me. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, in most parts you can see exactly what I'm doing. Obviously, I'm going to be explaining exactly what I'm doing and this and that. But I do think I need a little bit of a better angle. But we'll deal with that on another day. Today, I have this a full volume set. So to go over the volume set, we're going to be using a 6D through 10D fans, homemade of course, and then we're going to be doing 0.5 in diameter. For volume set, I like to stick to 0.5. Well, a lot of my sets I like to stick with 0.5. The only time that I usually use a 0.3 is a mega volume, or there's other cases that I'll share with you guys obviously in the future. Obviously with more lash with me's, I definitely want to include some more educational videos in 2025. Those are definitely the goals. Let's see, what are my 2025 lash goals? When it comes to clients, my clients already know this, but I'm doing a whole year of client appreciation. So for every single month of 2025, I'm going to be running a promotion or gifting a gift. And I mainly did that, one, because obviously I've always had so much love when it comes to my craft, and I just can't thank my clients enough. But two, I honestly didn't run many promotions this year at all. I probably ran like maybe 1 or 2 promotions, and although you don't need to run promotions, I just feel like I want to give something to my clients, you know, whether that's running a promotion or gifting a gift. So for January, I'm going to be doing a $10 off any lash sets promotion, and also a $5 off of any express sets. So it's not something huge, you know, but because I'm doing something every single month, it's just going to be a little something just to show my appreciation. And even though some people may say, oh, $10 isn't that much, $10 really does go a long way. $10 is a whole tip, you know. That's $10 you didn't have to spend, you know, and that's $10 less that I'm making. So even though it doesn't seem like it's nothing, it is something. If I have 30 clients throughout the whole month, that $10 off is $300 that I didn't make for the whole month, you know. So at the end of the day, it is something. But yeah, I'm very, very excited, and I'm just so appreciative. And yeah, my dog is barking. But what else? I want to say that's pretty much it for this video right now. I will obviously be doing more lash with me, so we'll be talking about more lash things later on, you guys. But yeah, this video, I'm gonna go, but this video is going to continue, and I'm just gonna have music playing over. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, sorry if I'm like really low. It's because it's early in the morning and I'm trying to be quiet. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Are you playing with me? Oh boy. Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wow, wow. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me
all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. Pardon your behavior, but if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you play with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy. Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, You can get none, bye bye, run baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll
You
play.
playing with my heart,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wow, wow. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye bye, run baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. Pardon your behavior, but if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna say, then you play my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah.